If we press the cleaning or cooling button, the machine experiences an LL alarm. When this situation occurs, the first thing we need to do is shut down the machine for ensure safety. First, we need to check the spacing between sensors and belts, because it is possible that during transportation, perhaps due to looseness, the distance between the belt and the sensor is too tight. So we need to ensure that their spacing is between 1.5 to 2 centimeters. Second, after we start up, there is an indicator light on this sensor. If the indicator light does not light up, then we need to replace this sensor. Third, there is a magnet on this pulley. Be sure to check if this magnet is still on the pulley. If the pulley on the magnet has come off, then we need to replace it with a new one. In this case, the LL alarm can be resolved. Fourth, it is possible that the screw on the pulley has become loose, and the shaking of the pulley is relatively large. The sensor is unable to sense the rotation of the pulley. This will also cause LL alarms. Fifth, if there are no issues with the sensor and pulley, then we need to consider whether it's a problem with the motor or not. If the motor has burnt out, it will also cause an LL alarm.